This dance is called Bigger Houses. It's a 16 count, 2 wall, beginner level line dance with 1 tag. Starting on the right foot, you're going to step the right forward. You're then going to sweep that left around from the back to the front. So you're just making gentle contact with the ground as you do that sweep. Then you're going to step forward on that left, sweep the right from the back to the front. Into a jazz box. So you're going to cross that right over the left, step back on the left, step the right to the side, and you're going to cross the left over the right. So it's a jazz box with a cross. Your next set of steps are nightclub timing steps. So you're going to step the right to the side. You'll then go to rock back on that left behind the right and recover your weight on that right foot. So that is a slightly quicker timing on that recovery step. You're then going to do another set of those steps, those nightclub timing steps, going to the left. So you step the left to the side, then you go to cross rock that right behind the left and recover your weight on that left. That set of steps once more. Step sweep off on the right. 7, 8. Step, sweep, step, sweep, cross, back, side, cross. Side, back, rock, side, back, rock. Turn yourself a quarter turn to the left as you step that right to the side. Then cross rock that left behind the right and recover your weight on that right. So again, all these in this next section are nightclub kind of timing steps. You're then going to step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, and then make a quarter turn to the left as you step forward on that left. You're then going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, and then step the right beside the left. You're then going to rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, and then step the left beside the right. That set of steps once more then. Quarter turn off on that right. 7, 8. Turn, back, rock, side, behind, turn, forward, rock and back, rock and. That is all there is to the dance. So let's add those two sections together. Step sweep off on the right. 7, 8. Step, sweep, step, sweep, cross, back, side, cross. Side, back, rock, side, back, rock. Turn, back, rock, side, behind, turn. Forward, rock and back, rock and. So there are quite a few and counts in this dance, and for you to get that timing right, I'll now go through it with the counts. Step sweep off on the right. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. So hopefully that gives you a bit of feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. And I am going to speed it up a little bit when we get back to the front so it's more in line with the speed of the music. Step sweep off on the right. 7, 8. Step, sweep, step, sweep, cross, back, side, cross. Side, back, rock, side, back, rock. Turn, back, rock, side, behind, turn, forward, rock and back, rock and step, sweep, cross, back, side, cross, side, back, rock, side, back, rock, turn, back, rock, side, behind, turn, forward, rock and back, rock and. So that is your dance. Now there is one little tag in this dance. It comes at the end of wall 4. So you will actually be facing the front wall when you come to do this tag. You'll tag quite simply. Step a small step to the side on the right as you sway to the right, sway back to the left. Single count timing. That is your tag. So like I said, it comes at the end of wall 4. Wall 4 is your 6 o'clock wall, so let's have a go at wall 4. Add on the tag and restart so you can see how it fits in. Step sweep, half on the right. 7, 8. Step, sweep, cross, back, side, cross. Side, back, rock, side, back, rock. Turn, back, rock, side, behind, turn, forward, rock and back, rock and tag, sway, sway. Restart, step, sweep, cross, back, side, cross. So hopefully you can see how that tag fits in. 2 sways, end of wall 4. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough and your tag information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Cross, side, back, rock, side, back, rock, turn, back, rock, side, behind, turn, forward, rock and back, rock and step, cross, back, side, cross, side, back, rock, side, back, rock, turn, back, rock, side, behind, turn, forward, rock and back, rock and step, swing. Turn. Greener grass in the yard next door. Shine up Chevy, living newer than yours. Step swing. Tag wall. Turn. The thing about happiness I found is it don't live in bigger houses. Tag, sway, sway. Step swing. I can hear the kids making little footsteps running down the hallway upstairs. I can see the dogs playing in the backyard through the kitchen window right there. Maybe that's kind of more about a swing on the porch holding her while the sun disappears. Why would I want to be anywhere else in the world where my whole world's sitting right here? There's always gonna be a higher high you could chase for the rest of your life. Greener grass in the yard next door. Shine up Chevy, living newer than yours. You're never gonna fill an empty cup if what you got still not enough. The thing about happiness I found is you don't live in bigger houses. No, 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 no.
greener grass in the yard next door. A shined up Chevy, little newer than yours. You're never gonna fill an empty cup if what you got still not enough. Think about happiness I found is that don't live in bigger houses. The thing about happiness I found is that don't live in bigger houses.
Hope you managed that one.